Welcome for Dhanur Rasi or Sagittarius moon sign. Jupiter is coming to the 7th house on 31st of May 2013 and he remains there till 18th of June 2014. Already the other planets, the major planets like Saturn, Rahu and Ketu are already in a favorable position, and now Jupiter is also becoming in an extremely favorable condition. These type of combinations on favorable of all these major four planets are very rare. It will not come every year. It comes once in so many years. So first of all, in terms of your career, whatever setbacks, whatever enemies were there to stop your growth will all be gone, and you will find a new way for your growth in terms of career. Either you will get a promotion or you may migrate to a better organization with a very good remuneration. If you are into your own business or into art, music or whatever, your own self-employed professional if you are, you will have a very big growth, and whatever new ventures you want to do, you can do it. It will all be extremely successful because as I told you earlier, this is a very rare combination. So this is a time where we need to put in our maximum efforts and our hard work to get the maximum. In terms of your personal life, if you are not married, looking for marriage, you will get married this time. Or if you had certain problems in your marital life also or in your relationships, that all will be solved and you will be blessed with prosperity, happiness and peace. And you will be buying a property, or through property you will get some benefits. If you want to change your vehicle, you will be changing it. All whatever you think, it will surely happen. If you are looking for a child, you will be blessed with that. Or if you already have a children, because of them you will have more happiness and growth. In terms of health, you will not have any major problems. Few people will travel abroad, they will go to so many places and they will have a very good pleasant time these periods. The other important aspect I need to tell you. See, you say you are born in Dhanur Rasi or Sagittarius moon sign. What is that? Which you need to know. There are 9 planets, you know very well. Out of these 9 planets, there is one planet called Moon. This Moon was in Sagittarius or Dhanur Rasi by the time you were born. So you say, I am born in Dhanur Rasi, Sagittarius moon sign like that. And based on that only, I have given predictions to you with respect to the position of Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, Jupiter, all these main planets. But will this be the 100% effect in your life? Because we have given predictions based on moon alone. But there are another 8 planets. So the combined effect of all the 9 planets is what our life is what our fate is, and is what our fortunes are. Okay, how to know about that? It is very simple. You could know only from your basic birth horoscope, which is generated based on your birth time, time of birth, place of birth and date of birth. Based on that we generate an horoscope. From that horoscope we will come to know in which ascendant lagna, the most important to give predictions, in which ascendant you are born, which are all the favorable planets out of these 9 planets, which are all favorable, where they are placed, whether they have the capacity to give you growth in career, whether they have the capacity to give you a happy marital life, whether they have the capacity to give you more financial growth. All these things we will come to know from that only. At the same time, there will be bad planets also. So we need to analyze where they are placed, in which area they can create troubles to you. Like that we will have to analyze totally. And apart from that, which are the major planets which is controlling you now? What are their strengths and weakness? Like that, we'll have to analyze which dasa you are running, which antardasa or bhukti is running. After taking into all these account only, the predictions which we give will be 100%. Otherwise, the predictions which I have given based on your Rasi alone will give you only 30 to 35% maximum. How to know about the 100% results for you? It's very simple. By divine blessings, we have got a website. It is yourgoodtime.in. In yourgoodtime.in website, you just go to our website, click create free account button, where you can create a free account by entering your name, date of birth, time of birth, place of birth, like that. And once you submit, the first time in the world, you will get your own horoscope predictions in video. We are the first to come out with your own horoscope predictions in video, which you can see. It is a free account you create. You just go to our website, it is yourgoodtime.in, and see your own predictions, where you will get 100% predictions for you. Thank you so much.